What if your business could easily eliminate withdrawal fees and access its global revenue under 2 minutes instead of 2 agonizing weeks? These videos are for entertainment purposes only, and they are not financial advice. Please do your own research before investing. All of the links will be in the video description. In today's video, we are talking about Cryptomus, and we're going to start off by talking about the cash flow crisis and where this comes in. The thing is, traditional payment processors are notorious for holding your cash flow hostage, sometimes for days or even weeks, and that's just not good for your company because it means that you're not going to be able to scale your operations. This really does add insult to injury. Legacy banks and standard gateways are now charging you essentially a premium fee percentage just to transfer your own hard-earned funds into primary business accounts. It's ridiculous. But there is a solution, and that is rapid cash flow management with Cryptomus. It solves the liquidity crisis and is designed, built, I would even say, for rapid cash flow management. Instead of waiting for arbitrary business days for everything in your funds to clear, you gain the ability to execute clean and frictionless withdrawals on your own schedule. Your finance team can move your funds into your secure, locked storage in a matter of maybe 1 to 2 minutes, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, 365 days a year. Do it with your payment gateway. It's a no-brainer. And more importantly, the platform does away with predatory withdrawal fees, which usually eat up a huge amount of your funds, especially if you're making a lot of withdrawals. So you can freely move your money without being penalized for accessing your own revenue, the way it really should be. Now, with bare minimum processing commission just at 0.4% and the savings on withdrawal fees, because do remember, those withdrawal fees are zero, meaning that your business drastically cuts its operational overheads. So it means that this lean overall financial structure, especially when you compare it to traditional means of processing. Support is incredibly responsive with an average wait of around 3 minutes. 0.4% processing fees, so slash those traditional fees, access your funds easily anytime, and don't get capped or pay ridiculous withdrawal fees with Cryptomus. And I also just wanted to mention that the customer service is absolutely fantastic. I just actually went ahead, didn't actually have any issues, but I went ahead and just tested it out. So for example, it's really helpful. So you can see they've got the little bot there. If you've got something like maybe a deposit issue, you can click on deposit. And look how effectively the bot gets back to you. Here are some common questions. Deposit not received, perhaps. So maybe we could click on that, take it through. See how effective it is? Please wait while I connect you with one of our available support managers. So fantastic. All you need to do is basically just pop your name in there. We can pop the name in there, for example, scroll through, you'd pop your email and everything like that. So that's super handy as well. And on top of that, look, available on the Google Play Store, it's just a super awesome platform to use when it comes to that customer support. You always want to make sure that you are taken care of there. It's really frustrating when you use a lot of these exchanges and platforms and the customer support, they're either there to help you out or they're not. And it's kind of really obvious, I feel, and there's nothing more frustrating and nothing more less trustworthy than if they're not present. And it's really fantastic to see that Cryptomus also have a good social media presence over on X. I encourage you to go ahead and follow them here. Again, the link will be in the video description to go ahead and follow. 11.9K, almost 12K followers there too. And it's actually really good to see that a lot of big people that I'm actually following myself are also following them. So that's always a good sign from a due diligence standpoint. They got the verified blue tick there, which is fantastic as well. And also posting regularly. Look at this. If you're still using crypto like us, it's like it's 2019 update now. That was just from 6 hours ago, 8 hours ago. A few funny memes. You know, they're trying to keep it bright, trying to keep it interesting while BTC is under 100K. So yeah, I like that. And one of my favorite areas here is the rewards section. So the rewards section is really cool. Rewards for each completed task here. So you can actually get tokens for just completing simple tasks. So easy, such as connecting your account to a Telegram bot, crypto dice, converting 1,000 USDT manually, leaving 30 comments on the blog, staking 10,000 TRX, quote a Cryptomus post on the social network. So I like this. Organic ways to really just boost their engagement and everything like that. And you can earn tokens in an honest manner. Really nice. Stop paying ridiculous withdrawal fees just to access your own money. Click the link below to upgrade your cash flow. and keep more of your hard-earned revenue.